as human beings, we are blindsided many a times. We are not able to see what is happening in our environment. And I think retrospectives will allow us to see our environment with a 360 degrees view. So I think it is a tool that will definitely take away our blinders. So to add to it, I will describe retrospective as a platform that allows us to reflect on our journey so far, connect with ourselves and our teams to carve out better ways of working. Neuroplasticity talks about our brain's ability to adapt. Our brain undergoes a lot of psychological changes during interactions with the environment, and this is an ongoing process that helps us learn and adapt to different situations. But this, of course, happens daily, but I think retrospectives can simulate and invoke such discussions and enhance the brain thinking capabilities. And they also help nurture a growth mindset where people look forward to continuously learning from their experiments and thus get better in an empirical manner. And also, thus, they can sustain failures and learnings in a long run.
I describe the value from retrospectives is we want to continue to learn, and we know that especially within IT, things are developing fast and also faster than what we can adapt to. But that doesn't mean we should just stop adapting it. We should still do the best we can to try to keep up. And sometimes we will be behind the curves, and some other times we will be a bit ahead of the curve. But the retrospectives is the single best tool for us to make sure that we are relevant at all points in time and we don't just waste energy and time.
Well, I might not even use the word retrospective. I might just say part of what we do is we try to continually improve the way we're working. And so we'll have a meeting every week to discuss how we're working, how our technical practices are serving us. We'll look at various data and we'll see what we can do better. And over time, we'll make incremental improvements and improve our ability to deliver software. So I might not even mention the word retrospective.